Hello everybody, this is YouTube is the video dude 79 here. And I just want to let you guys know that I'll be doing my first ever EAS on YouTube. It'll be called EAS number 1. It'll be the required weekly test. It'll start at precisely 1 p.m. Yep. I will do it on my iPhone, and it'll be on it'll be a direct upload on YouTube. And my first one will be at 1 p.m. It'll be the required weekly test. Yep. Yep, and it'll be it'll be pretty great. And then there'll be other weather alerts too, like severe weather alerts. And look, here's one now. See what you heard. Scroll down in a second. This one is in Columbus, Ohio.
Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
Let me show you hear that or not.
Columbus and vicinity. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. Now looking at the weather.
And now I'm gonna have to turn this up a little.
And tonight, the probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. The probability for
this is and this is like how my weather video is like. Yep. So anyway, stay tuned for the weekly required test that's known as will be at 1 p.m. today. It's now 9:43. So at about 1 p.m. Newfoundland time, there will be a weekly required test. Yep. And everybody, stay tuned. And we're clear.